college football celebrator, Stanley Cup, fill it up, trailblazer, kick it up dust, tattoo fixing, her addiction, showing off what most keep hitting, long legs, leather boots, crop top pants, showing through. She really comes alive every single weekend. She's daddy's little girl, but Sunday she's a preaching. Two Hail Marys, forgive her sins, come Friday night, she does it again, showing off that sunburned skin, lemon drop with the sugar
She
rim.
wears boots, the way she shakes that thing, it's really turning me on. She wears boots, she used to be an angel, but she wears boots on Mars. Boots on Mars.
Rebel chick from the sticks, still likes Biggie and Tupac shit. Whiskey River, shot ripper, damn this girl can hold her liquor. Ride or die, lives her life, renegade, bloodshot eyes. Fisher, hunter, Hank, lover, Earnhardt, she's burning rubber. She's the kind of girl you don't bring home to mama, cause you can see all the crazy that she offers. Two Hail Marys, forgive her sins, come Friday night, she does it again, showing off that sunburned skin, lemon drop with the sugar
She
rim.
wears boots, the way she shakes that thing, it's really turning me on. She wears boots, she used to be an angel, but she wears boots on Mars. Boots on Mars.
But there's